Dear children, last day I taught you geography. Now read the lesson second in civics. You take care of it. Page number 302. फेडरलिज्म. क्या है? मीनिंग ऑफ फेडरलिज्म. फीचर्स ऑफ इंडियन फेडरल सिस्टम. फेडरलिज्म इन प्रैक्टिस. डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन इंडिया. लोकल गवर्नमेंट फॉर द अर्बन एरियाज एंड म्यूनिसिपैलिटीज. इसके बारे में देखें. सबसे पहले ओवरव्यू में क्या पढ़ना है, क्या बता रहे हैं इसमें, को देखें. इन द प्रीवियस चैप्टर, मतलब इसके पहले जो आपको चैप्टर पढ़ाया गया, ये आपका पावर शेयरिंग के बारे में. कहते हैं वी हैव रीड अबाउट बेल्जियम एंड श्रीलंका एंड अबाउट देयर डाइवर्स एथनिक ग्रुप. बोथ द कंट्रीज हैव डेमोक्रेसीज बट बोथ deal with their ethnic groups in different ways. The way Belgium adopted had fostered peace in the country. On the contrary to it, Sri Lanka is facing the problem of an ethnic civil war in the country. The Constitution of Belgium. The Constitution brought reduction in the power of the central government and gave them to the regional governments. It came to be known as one of the important changes in its constitution. No doubt, regional powers excited in the Belgium from earlier at their share of power was controlled by the central government. Finally, in 1993, the regional government of Belgium were no longer dependent on the central government and were given constitutional power of its own. Consequent to the transformation from a unitary form of government system to the federal system, Belgium has been able to solve its ethnic problem and maintain peace and order in the country. On the contrary to it, Sri Lanka still continues to be unitary government, providing all the powers to the national government. The form of government adopted by Belgium is federalism. Now, meaning of federalism. Federalism is the system of government wherein the power is divided between the central authority and various constitutional units of the country. Usually, a federation has two levels of government. One is the government for the ethnic country, the entire country, that is usually responsible for a few subjects of common national interest. First government कौन सी है? The entire country that usually responsible for the few subjects of common national interest. Second, other government at the level of provinces or state that look after much of day-to-day administration of the state. Both of the levels of government enjoy their power independent of the other. जैसे भारत में सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट और जिसे हम दिल्ली की सरकार कहते हैं, दूसरा राज्य सरकार जो लखनऊ ऐसे हैं या भोपाल की सरकार है, या कहते बेंगलोर कर्नाटक में मुंबई की सरकार, गुजरात में गांधीनगर आपका यहाँ की सरकार, ये राज्य सरकार है, तो ये अलग अलग अपने पावरों का प्रयोग करती हैं और राज्य सरकारें अपने क्षेत्र में प्रशासनिक व्यवस्था को कायम रखती हैं। और सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट जो होती है, इंटायर कंट्री दैट यूजली रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर फ्यू सब्जेक्ट, जो कुछ ही सब्जेक्ट विषयों के अंतर्गत अपना काम करती हैं। तो इस तरह से दो प्रकार की सरकार हैं, केंद्रीय सरकार और राज्य सरकार। अब की आप फीचर ऑफ फेडरलिज्म, सम की अब क्या है, सम की फीचर ऑफ फेडरलिज्म आर एज अंडर, पहले मेजर लेवल, देयर आर 2 or more levels और टायर्स ऑफ गवर्नमेंट। दो या दो से अधिक भी लेवल हो सकते हैं। जैसे जुरिडिक्शन, डिफरेंट टायर ऑफ गवर्नमेंट देयर हैव देयर ओन जुरिडिक्शन रिगार्डिंग लेजिस्लेशन, टैक्सेशन एंड एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन। जुरिडिक्शन में ये सारी चीज़ें आती हैं। गारंटी, द existence and authority of each tier of government is constitutionally guaranteed. Consent of both levels. The changes in the fundamental provisions of the Constitution require the consent of both the levels of government. Courts' role. Courts play a key role of interpret the Constitution and the power of different level of government. The Supreme Court plays the role of an umpire. Financial autonomy. Sources of revenue for each level of government are clearly mentioned to ensure its financial autonomy. Sources of revenue each level of government are clearly mentioned to ensure its financial autonomy. Objects. The federal system has dual objective, that is, safeguard and promote unity of the country. At the same time, it accommodates regional diversity. An ideal federal system of government must have mutual trust and agreement to live together. The exact balance of power between the central and state government differs from one federation to another. This balance depends mainly on the historical context wherein federation was formed. Federation formed in two ways: states joining together or division. These states sum together on their own to form a bigger unit. They have equal power. They are equally strong. With the federal government, they come together from pooling sovereignty and retaining identity. They do so that they can increase their security. USA, Switzerland and Australia have come together to make federation. Division. Large countries decide to divide to power between the constitution, state and national government. The central government tends to be more powerful vis-a-vis the state. India, Spain, Belgium are examples of holding together federation. Features of Indian federal system. Now, next day.